Alright, I'm heading out to the bike. Yep, it's not snowing anymore, so that should be alright. Roads should be okay though. I'll take my time. Yeah, I'll take my time. What was I thinking? In the positive light, the road should be pretty clear. It's not snowing anymore. So I should be just fine. That's what I'm thinking. Thinking I should be fine. Yeah, see there's nothing wrong with this. See, that's perfectly fine. I can drive in this. What was I thinking? Shit. This is fine. I am okay with this. Okay, well, first thing we got to do before we even clear off the bike, get the heat going. Three sounds good. See, you just thought these were wind guards. These are actually snow guards. There are those of you out there who might think I'm crazy. I agree with you. Both of me agrees with you. But things must be done. Oh yeah, rain mode, because rain mode is also snow mode. Drive over this hump of snow here. Okay, well, and if this isn't a testament to hey, I don't even have to stop. Fuck yeah. Alright, we're off. I'm pretty fucking off, alright. I did say I was gonna keep it slow. Keep your clutch out. Don't squeeze your clutch in. That's your secret. And keep your RPMs low. I think that's what they say, right? That one caught me. Never had to do that before, but I think that was safety mode, so stay in the tracks. Now that dude's behind me, he's just gonna have to wait. It's interesting. Well, main roads are usually stay cleaner than side roads, so I'm sticking to the main roads. Got my butt heat going. Got my handles going. Thinking about running this red light, but just to keep me having to stop. Oh, come the fuck on. Come on. I've ridden when it was cold like this before, but not when it was wet and cold. I just keep thinking any second I'm gonna hit some black ice. I think the ground though is warm enough to keep it from icing, so I'm just gonna roll right through this. I hope they don't mind. Gonna roll through this one too. Hope you don't mind. I do joke a lot about Memphis having a lot of bullets and trash in the road that gives you extra traction in the snow. But seriously, these shitty roads, you get a lot of traction on them. Well, I made it through the part I was worried about. Getting away from the plant and getting on the main road was my fear. I can talk about it now since it didn't happen. I'm still going to try to keep my speed down because, I mean, I'm not fucking crazy. But that was my main fear, was the roads around the plant, because they're not traveled roads. All right, so no microphone, but I hope you guys can hear me. Just put my feet down. The ground is ice. So, okay, testament to BMW. I have not lost traction yet. I spun when I tried to vary it like a fucking moron earlier. The wheel started to spin on me earlier, and BMW was real quick. I mean, all you heard was whoop, and it grabbed control again. It was really strange. But again, testament to BMW that actually worked. So here I am, close to home. Would I ever do this again? Not intentionally. If I did find myself out and this kind of stuff, and I know all the northerners are like, oh, this is nothing. Okay, there is no salt on the road, nobody plowed, and there's ice on the road. You ever wonder why southern people aren't bad drivers? Because I've lived in Chicago and St. Louis, and you got a shitload of wrecks up there too. People just trying to be stupid and act like they know what they're doing when they don't. I'll tell you this, I mean, I've lived up there, drove in this stuff, and it's no joke up there either. And the only reason they can handle more is because the road crews get out and do stuff with it. But for this bike on street tires, this bike weighs a little over 800 pounds, close to 1,000 pounds with me on it, and it is absolutely under control. 10 of 10, highly recommend. If you don't have a Grand America, you should. Okay, maybe not so much that, but I will tell you this. Props to BMW for this bike. I can't say it enough. I love the snot out of this bike. It's my daily driver. I've got another bike too that I love riding, but if the roads are going to be dangerous, this is my bike. And this just drives it home more. We need to fear the road. See if there are corners. Alright, there's ice right in front of my driveway, so let's see if I can, in a river, see if I can get in there. Alright. Put this bad boy in the garage and call it a successful mission. Hell yeah. Well, my feet are sliding all over the damn place, but the bike did what it was supposed to do. Look at the bike. Come look at this. Probably might not be the strange screenshot, but hey, look, I got white stripes on the bike now. All right, guys, that does it. That was interesting. Hope that was some good video, and hope you enjoy that. Me out there trying not to bust my ass. So, all right, one more week and snowing out there now with ice on the ground, and in another week I'll be in 85-degree weather drinking mojito with the Shade Tree crew. So, like, follow, subscribe, hit the bell, and tell me how impressed you were with my awesome snow driving skills. See you next time.